Welcome to you all talented and curious students in KMC, that is Kanha Math classes for 12th Math under CBSE board based on the pattern NCERT. In continuation to the previous videos, the question number 16, that is the equation of the curve is given y is equal to 7x cube plus 11. You have to prove that the tangent to the curve at the point x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 2 are parallel. First of all, we will find out the slope of the tangent, that is dy by dx, or representing the equation of the curve with respect to x, that is dy by dx is equal to 3721 x square 21 x square. Now dy by dx at the point x is equal to 2, 21 square means 21 into 4 means 4 into 1 4 2 ja 8, 84, and dy by dx at the point x is equal to minus 2, 21 minus 2 square 21 into 4, that is 84. We must observe that the slope of the tangents at the point x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 2 are the same, that is 84, and you will have to find out the corresponding value of x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 2 will also be the same. Hence, since the slope of the tangents at these 2 points are equal, since the slope of tangent at these 2 points are equal, that is 84, hence the tangent are parallel. This is to be proved. Here you have given the equation of the curve, that is y equal to x cube, and you have to find out the points where the slope of the curve, that is dy by dx, is equal to y coordinate of points. Let x1 y1 is on the curve y is equal to x cube, or y1 is equal to x1 cube. For the slope of the tangent for the slope of tangent dy by dx is equal to 3x square or dy by dx at the point x1 will be equal to 3x1 square. 3x1 square. Hence 3x1 square according to question question 3x1 square is equal to y1. Now from equation 1 and 2, we get 3x1 square is equal to x1 cube. 3x1 square is equal to x1 cube because you have find out the y coordinate, that is 3x1 square is equal to x1 cube or x1 cube minus 3x1 square is equal to 0 or x1 square, taking common as x1 square from this, we will have x1 minus 3 is equal to 0. Either x1 square is equal to 0, hence x1 is equal to since x1 is equal to 0, which is not possible, hence x1 minus 3 is equal to 0, hence x1 is equal to 3. From 1 y1 is equal to 3 cube means 27 or the requisite point is 327. This is the requisite answer. Now in question number 18, you have given the equation of the curve 4x cube minus 2x5 and you have to find out the points where tangents pass through origin, that is 0, 0. In order to prove this, we must find out the slope of the tangent and ultimately we will find the equation of tangent. Let x1 y1 be the requisite point requisite points, hence by representing the equation of curve with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to 4 3 are 12 x square minus 10x4. dy by dx is equal to 12x square minus 10x4. Hence the equation of tangent. Equation of tangent at x1 y1 is equal to y minus y1 dy by dx at x1 y1 within the bracket x minus x1. Y minus y1 and dy by dx at the point x1 y1 will be equal to 12 x1 square minus 10 x1 raised to the power 4 x minus x1. This is the equation of tangent at the specific point x1 y1. At the specific point x1 y1, since this tangent passes through origin, since tangent to passes through 0 0, hence Hence 0 minus y1 is equal to 12 x1 square minus 10 x1 4 0 minus x1. That is, this will be cut, minus y1 minus sign and minus sign will eliminate each other. Hence this will be equal to y1, that is, from this equation y1 is equal to 4x1 cube minus 2x1 5. Hence, substituting the value of y1 from this will be equal to 4x1 cube minus 2x1 5 is equal to, by multiplying x1 in this, we will get 12 x1 cube minus 10 x1 5, or by transferring 12 x1 cube minus 4 x1 cube means 8 x1 cube, and minus 10 x1 5 and minus 2 x1 5, this will become plus 12 12x1 cube minus 4x1 cube will become 8x1 cube and minus 10x1 5. By transferring this to this will be equal to minus 2x1 5 will become plus 2x1 5 and this will be equal to minus 8x1 5, and due to lack of space here we will rewrite again 8x1 cube minus 8x1 5, 8x1 5 is equal to 0, taking 8x1 cube as a common. This will be 1, 8x1 cube taking common, this will be 1 minus here x1 square is equal to 0. Since 8 can't be 0, 8 and x1 can't be 0, may be 0, and x1 is 0 and 1 minus x1 square is equal to 0, or x1 square is equal to 1, or x1 is equal to plus minus 1. Here we will have three value of x1, that is 0, plus 1 and minus 1. Corresponding the value of y with the help of the equation of the curve, with the help of that is y is equal to 4x cube, y is equal to 4x cube minus 2x5 minus 2x5. This is the equation of the curve, and corresponding the value of x1 0, we will find the value of y1 at x1 is equal to 0. Then y1 is equal to also 0, because if you substitute x by 0, the value of y will be 0, and y1 at the point x is equal to 1 will be equal to 4 1 cube minus 2 1 5, that is 4 minus 2, that is 2, and y1 at x is equal to minus 1, this will be equal to 4 minus 1 cube minus 2 minus 1 5. This will become minus 4, and this will be equal to plus 2. Ultimately this will be equal to minus 2. Hence the requisite point will be equal to 0 0 1 1 2 1 2 and minus 1 minus 2. This is the requisite answer. Thank you for watching this video. Please Like, share and subscribe the video. Many thanks to you.